sitting on the engine room thing, right there, on top of the engine. The line pusher. Yeah. Big shark.
I'm reeling in, but it's not coming. Ready for the picture, Mike? Oh, it's ready when it's beached. Oh, we're gonna get some pictures of it.
Oh, there he is.
Oh my god.
Wait till he comes out.
Oh yeah, he's not going anywhere. He's double hooked.
Is this the live bluefish?
No, it's an mackerel, right?
There's only one hook in the mackerel. Yeah, in this picture.
Oh, then I guess there is live.
Oh no, I think no, he's got 2 rigs in his mouth.
Yeah, he might have 2 baits. Is that yours?
Is this the same
No,
one?
because yours got the hook out.
Oh yeah.
He's got 2 baits.
No, because none of our other poles
Guys,
are
look at
on.
the side. Look at that mat, like.
Stretch him out a bit, Chris, and take a picture. Ready?
Here, watch my push. Yeah, Mike, get this picture.
Like, you gotta get fucking.
That is insane. Oh, pretty good. I can't see it. There we go. Oh. Flash me, that asshole. Yeah, you like this?
I mean, yeah.
You approve?
They're gonna be blue sharks. You see how big this shit is?
No, I didn't see it.
That's probably 400 pounds.
What?
400 pounds?
It's around there, yeah.
Pounds? I don't know. Fucking looks big.
Well,
alright, you ready to cut it?
yeah, I'm ready to go. I'm having
Alright.
fun with it.
Frank, you want to cut or you want to cut?
I want to see him one more time.
Yeah. You'll see him again. We gotta cut the leader anyway.
Yeah. There he is.
I got this line thing a little bit. He's really not going anywhere though.
Yeah.
Took away too good.
Pretty much done.
Yeah.
Hey, you want to try and pull the hook out of him again over there? Hey, you want to pull the hook out of him? You have plenty of weight behind him to be able to pull a hook.
Did he swallow it? I know one of them's not that bad.
Right in the corner, buddy. Yeah, right in the corner.
Okay, cool, yeah.
You ready?
Yep.
Another hook might get in the way. Jesus Christ. See how big this shit is? Oh, you almost had it. Had it, yeah. Got it. Oh, yeah, it's right there. It's gonna come right out.
Should.
Just fight me a little bit. Pull him right up. Look at that thing.
Oh my gosh.
Holy shit. Yeah, where's the last one? That has to go.
Yeah, go straight down in the road.
Up there he goes.
He had another hook in his mouth, by the way.
Yeah, it's all that. I wonder if one of these other rods is about to go with him. Do we have any clues, son?
I mean, that hook had